Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Kabita's Kitchen's delicious tomato soup. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 500 grams of ripe red tomatoes, 1 large onion, and 5 to 6 garlic cloves. For seasoning, have 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 bay leaf, 3 cloves, and a 2-inch cinnamon stick ready. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of corn flour, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and salt to taste. To begin, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a pan over low to medium heat. Once melted, add 1 bay leaf, 3 cloves, and a 2-inch cinnamon stick. Then, add your chopped onion and garlic, sautéing for about 2 minutes until fragrant. Next, add the 500 grams of chopped tomatoes and a pinch of salt. Cover and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until the tomatoes soften. After the tomatoes have softened, stir in 4 to 5 fresh basil leaves for an aromatic touch. Allow the mixture to cool down a bit before transferring it to a blender. Blend until you achieve a smooth, consistent puree. For a truly refined soup, strain this blended mixture through a fine mesh sieve, pressing down to extract all the liquid and leaving behind any solids. Return the strained soup to the pan. Mix 1 teaspoon of corn flour with a little water and add it to the soup, simmering for about 1 minute to thicken. Stir in half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/3 of a teaspoon of sugar, and adjust the salt to your taste. Finally, swirl in 2 teaspoons of fresh cream and serve hot, perhaps with some crispy croutons. For more great tips on managing your finances, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.